LINLEY actually opened a store here 6 months ago, and we adore their designs, and as they're a very amazing sort of a British product, we wanted to team up with them and Brintons, who are the Rolls Royce of carpet makers. It was the ideal opportunity, and that's how it came about.
Well, the arcade to me is a long memory. You know, it sits right next door to the Royal Academy, where I go to very often for my work. And it's also a great central part of London. And it has, I think it's got that lovely atmosphere where it's still quite, you feel quite sort of looked after in a way. And so it's just a joy for me to come here.
Burlington Arcade is, I guess, one of the iconic shopping locations in London, and LINLEY is a quintessentially British brand. So we've had a location in here for about the last year, and when we were discussing how we can contribute to the atmosphere and the style of Burlington Arcade, we talked about doing the carpet with Brintons. LINLEY's created a big marquetry board based on the London Skyline. It's a very, very intricate, detailed bit of marquetry. And we've also done a larger screen as well, which showcases different skylines around the world. And those two designs and elements of craftsmanship were then brought into the carpets.
The things that LINLEY does very well is it makes things, it designs things, and it also has this element of wit to it. So we incorporated all of those. So it's made by Brintons, so it's fantastic quality. It's designed by Matthew and our design team. And it's creating an atmosphere whereby you're actually on a journey. So you may have come from a part of the world, and then you can find and be photographed by a building from your country, which is quite nice. So it's sort of taking in the whole of the world for the rest of the world.
Anyway, to the serried ranks of the press massed here this morning, I just want to say it's a great privilege to open this new carpet in one of London's iconic buildings, which has been fantastically restored. I've never seen it looking so good. It's a great combination. It's an iconic London building. It's probably one of the greatest shopping malls in the world. Luxury goods in the UK are selling around the world as never before. We want lots of high spenders to come in here and to walk this British designed carpet by David LINLEY, one of our best known British designers, and of course Brintons Carpets, who've been going in Kidderminster for many, many years.
Well, it's been, as you can imagine, a real privilege for us to be working with the Burlington Arcade team and such a fantastic British company like LINLEY. Our Brintons design team spent over 250 hours working on the design for this showcase carpet. This carpet is absolutely fantastic craftsmanship. It's 180 linear metres long. So that brings obviously its own challenges, but it's a fantastic piece of craftsmanship that shows 92 iconic structures and buildings from every continent across the world. So we have the Eiffel Tower in Paris, we have St Paul's Cathedral, and very iconic buildings in London, and then we have places like the Taj Mahal in India.
Mary Poppins, somewhere if you can find it, and King Kong and various other things, which I think is rather nice. Again, children will be coming down here with their parents, will be looking down, hopefully not at their iPods, and they will enjoy the opportunity to find something. So, which goes right back to what we do as furniture makers, which is making pieces of furniture where you find a secret drawer. So it's a two-dimensional fun puzzle.
It's just been an amazing experience for us to work on something so unique, so different, so spectacular. I mean, Brintons, our mission is to make the world a more beautiful place, and we feel that the Burlington Arcade looks beautiful today.
I think I'm very happy. I mean, to me, the opportunity of making a 180-metre carpet doesn't come along too often. And so the opportunity for me to do this is fantastic, and it's in the area which I love. And so for me, it's a real great honour to have been asked and commissioned to do this.
I mean, it's come out better than I ever expected. I mean, you can really see the actual buildings, you instantly recognisable. I mean, I'm very proud that we've got the Freedom Tower here as well. You know, American tourists in particular are our biggest market, and I think they really appreciate that as well. We think the Skyline carpet will create a real British welcome at the Burlington Arcade to all our international visitors, and we're very proud of it, and we hope they appreciate it as much as we love it.